Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today we'll talk about the IPO that is coming is Camcon Chemicals. Okay, so as you know that the company forms in 1988. It's a specialty chemical limited manufacturing of chemical product that is HDMS and CMIC. These are the few chemicals that it produces. Its products portfolio include oil field and chemicals, and zinc bromide, pharma ingredients and chemicals, contract manufacturing work. These are the company that few product that it produces. Company not only serve the domestic market but also exports its product in overseas market such as USA, China, Japan, UAE, Serbia, Russia, Malaysia, and Azerbaijan. As you know that the company is providing and producing domestically and supplying, even exporting to a big companies and different countries overseas. The company is really performing good as compared to the competitors. This is can be a good growth uh, ladder for the company. Okay, the company's core strengths are this: the largest manufacturing of pharmaceutical chemicals across the globe. Largest company which produces pharmaceutical chemicals across the globe. Okay, leading oil field chemicals manufacturer in India. Okay, these are some of the chemical manufacturer in India. It's a diversified client based in domestic as well as and global market. They have a strong and consistent financial growth, which I'll show you ahead how the companies have grown financially. They have dedicated manufacturing plant for each product. Understand each product they have a different manufacturing plant. Some of the company's promoter are Kamal Kishore, Rajendra Agarwal, Navdeep Naresh Goyal, and Shubhranjana Goyal are the promoters of the company. These are the some promoters of the company. Okay, they are the company is performing really good. As you know that the IPO's promoters holdings are pre-issue shareholdings are 100%, but after post-issue shareholdings are 74.47%. While chemical IPO offer size by investor categories, a percentage of offer size available for allotment allocation is QIB 50%, individual 5%. The Camcon IPO details are okay. IPO is coming on September 21st, okay, to 23rd, 2020, and it is book built issue IPO, which is both offer for sale as well as fresh issue. Okay, issue sizes 93 lakhs 52,940 equity shares of 10 each. Okay, which is aggregating to 318 crores. Fresh issue is how much? 48 lakhs 52,940 equity shares of 10 each, aggregating up to 165 crores. Okay, for sale, which is the holding of the promoters, is 45 lakhs equity share of 10 each, aggregating up to 153 crores. The face value is 10 per equity shares. IPO price coming at 338 to 340 per equity shares, and the market lot size of one lot is 44 shares. Minimum order you have to do is one lot is 44 shares, that you have to do, and listing will be happening at BSE and NSE. There's something which I have told you, which is coming on 21st September 23, which in the time frame you can apply for the Camcon IPO, which is both offer for sale and as well as fresh sales. Both are coming for this. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to apply for the Camcon IPO in between of September 21 to September 23. Okay, and both it is both offer for sale as well as fresh sale. So the promoters are selling their holdings, while you can apply for fresh sale also. September 2020, okay, and closing on September 23, 2020. So the finalization of basis of allotment is September on 28th, okay, and if you didn't got the allotment, money will be refunded on September 29th, while okay, credit of shares in the demat account will come on September 30th, while IPO share listing will happen on October 1, where you can see the listings. Minimum what you can order is one lot, that is of 44 shares, which cost you around 14,960. Maximum you can do for 13 shares, which is comes to around 572 shares. It comes around 1,94,400. Share was with the promoters 100%. Now the post shareholdings is 74.47. This is what the shareholding will be after the issue. So the thing is, as you can see the dates and all and everything, which you can apply as per what you want, okay, and the profits, as you can see on 31st March 20, it was around, total assets was 2,257.92, okay, total revenue is 2660.17, while profit is 488.53 crores, while it is on 31st March 2019 is 0.33 crores, while total revenue is 3053.26 crores, while total profit after tax is 430.41 crores, while on 31st March in 18 it was total assets they have is 970.66 crores, total revenue they have is 1583.91 crores, while profit after tax is 263.81 crores, while on 31st March 2017 they have total asset of 626 crores 0.8, while 899.96 total revenue they have, and profit was 28.24. As you can see, the growth is very good in 2017 to 2018, okay, and it is just doubled in, more than doubled in 2017 to 2018, but in 18 to 19 it was just, it made around it's a 80 to 90% of growth, while this 19 to 20 the growth rate was not that much, but still they have performed good. The profit is really good. The companies these companies are really performing good, so it's a good chances that if we get the IPO, there can be higher chances that the IPO can go subscribe more times and can give a good profit. So there is chances that if you get the IPO, you can get a good chances of getting higher. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like the video. If you want notification of my new videos, please press the bell icon so that you will get a notification of my new videos. Thank you.